Bazaars are really popular in Central Asian region, and whenever you want to shop for something, the first place you probably think about is going to a bazaar. Today I'll be telling you about the Altyn Bazar. It's the biggest mall in Turkmenistan. As you can see, it is shaped as a Turkmen rock decoration, and we have great tradition and interest in carpets. So the thing about this bazaar is that it's just massive, and it has over 2,000 stalls spread across the area. And you can buy anything you want at this bazaar, starting from handicrafts, jewelry, animals, food and cleaning products. You can buy traditional Turkmen dresses, which is why we went to the bazaar with my mom, so you'll be seeing us shopping for fabric, looking for ornaments to put on our dresses. And this bazaar is really popular because it's more affordable and a lot of people go there, and especially during Sundays it gets really busy.